Morning guys, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and here mark wallpaper. Now just pick the photo or one from default wallpapers or online wallpapers, just the picture that you like the most and you want to cover your screen with. Let me go, for example, with this one. And if you like it, just mark set as, then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.